I used to skate. This used to be my fucking, like, skateboard when I was like 12.
Really?
Yeah. I have Crocs on too.
So what you're telling me is you're gonna be trash?
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Let me do it.
Let's get it.
Ready?
Yes.
You're gonna watch a true skater.
Bro, what the fuck is that? Bro, do a flip or something.
Hold on, wait. Why do we gotta make a dip?
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Do a kickflip.
Can't do a kickflip.
Come on. In the Air Forces? Oh my god. I thought you know how to, bro. You suck.
No, I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah, you're tying your shoes because you're scared.
I'm not scared. I haven't skateboarded in so long.
That was good. Okay, I see. I see you.
It's not even going off the ground, right?
It kind of is. Good shit. Now my turn. Oh, I can't ollie. I just had a leg day yesterday. I did. The fuck? You won't stop.
You got, yeah. Wait, why do you ollie that way? And not on that side. Oh, I guess you're more comfortable that way. You have to slide your foot.
I'm not mad, but like I'm supposed to go to the gym to meet up with my new gym bro.
Oh, look at pretty flowers.
Nobody gives a fuck. Okay. But I'm supposed to meet up with somebody to hit chest. I'm hitting chest back today, but I'm supposed to hit chest with them because they already hit back yesterday with my new gym buddies. But fucking, I have to wait for like my mom ordered like this fucking toy house thing, and I have to wait until they're here. So that's so fucking stupid, but it's whatever. Also, I haven't been consistent. As you can see, I haven't posted a video in like a week or two. I'm gonna be honest, my excuse is really dumb. My camera died, and I did not feel like, because all my Android chargers are broken. All my chargers are broken for my camera, so I just gave up, kind of like, oh well, my fucking camera died, so yeah. That's kind of a piss poor excuse. I'm also pretty happy because I got Rise Godzilla. It's pretty good. 500 milligrams of alkaline salt. The pumps are fucking crazy. Every time I take the pre-workout, it gives me such a euphoria feel, because I didn't know that, but I feel locked in with it.
Wait, that's not the word.
Yeah, because people describe that for a pre-workout. Yeah, the pre-workout's really good. She's doing some fucking some trash. That was my first pre-workout. But by the way, y'all, the reason why I haven't been consistent also is because I got a job, and I'm pretty happy because I'm going to try to save up for a better camera. The camera I want is like the Sony A6400. It's $900 without the lens. But I feel like that's a pretty good upgrade from the Alpha 6000 to the 6400. It's a really good camera. That's not like my main camera I really want. Would take like way too much. Like for the camera I want and the lens, it's like $3,500 for like my later down the road. But that's kind of stupid. Spending $3,500 on a camera setup when you literally get like 900 subs. So. You feel me? But the A6400 is a pretty good upgrade. Also, I'm on my bulk still. I'm literally weigh 194.4. That's fucking crazy. I gained 30 pounds in my bulk. I don't even feel like my strength, by the way, y'all, my squat is really, I'm low-key a squat specialist, which is very fucking weird because I don't do barbell bench press that much just because it's not really good for hypertrophy. Well, it is, but dumbbell is better. And deadlift is, there's no point for doing it for bodybuilding. But I really, bro, I'm getting really strong. My squat is 330 for 3, which is fucking amazing. My old max was 315, 335. And I'm literally hitting 330 for 3, which is fucking insane. Like, I'm super pumped about that. But I'm gonna start bench pressing more, but, also fuck, I forgot the new Young LA dropped. I always, in every video when I used to vlog a lot, I was like, yo, I want Young LA clothes, and I got a shirt of Young LA Stringer, but it was a medium. I was a fucking idiot. Everybody told me to get large, extra large. It don't really fit, but the new drop, I got I might show it on the screen, but it's really fucking cool. It's a shorts and a tank top. It's one of my favorite drops, and I got it. And I'm pretty excited. Hopefully it comes soon. I don't know. If it don't, I'm gonna cry. And oh my god.
Move.
Bro, I was trying to stop the recording and I just fucking kicked everything over. I'm so sorry.
Baby, you're fine.
Don't hurt me, please. I'm sorry.
Stop.
Please. We're at the gym, bro. I'm literally a whole hour late. I was supposed to meet my friend. They're probably already working out. It's fine. But I'm pretty happy about my chest and back workout because I'm doing Arnold split just because my arms are lacking. So I'm trying to really focus on my arms, especially my biceps, twice a week. Just because I feel like it grows your arms a lot better with the Arnold split. But I'm here at the gym. I'm gonna get fucking I'm cracked off the fucking pretty big. Let's get it. You're finally hitting chest for the video. You know how to do it, right? Like arch your back. Good. You got it? Yeah, just do like 5. Good form. What the fuck? I'm so excited because she never hits chest or shoulders with me, but today I'm gonna probably hit chest and back with my girlfriend, so I'm pretty excited. Just put 5 pounds on each side because last time she did close to that, and you're gonna get massive. Let's get it. Yes. Yeah, and then up. 2 more. Oh yeah. Make sure it hits your chest. Oh yeah. Good shit. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get a job. She's doing 10 pounds. So this is the most you ever done, right?
Yeah.
Do 3, maybe 3, 5. Let's get it. And make sure you push off your feet too. Oh yeah? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Last one. Good job. Solid 10 to 2.5. This is the most you ever done, right? Literally, because before she only did like 5 pounds this high. I think you're taking the Trenbolone sandwiches. Trent?
Oh my god.
Ready?
No. She did way better. She went up like 5 pounds, but she never works out chest, so that's good. But this is my second set. I'm doing 155 for 3 or 5. My last set, so I'm kind of trying to cut each set up. 5 sets of 3 to 5. So my first set was 135. This is 155. My next set probably be 160 something or like 170. And my last set, well, actually, I don't know, but I got this.
If you're a lover, you should know the lonely moments just get lonelier the longer you're in love than if you were alone. Memories turn into daydreams, become a taboo. I don't want to be afraid. The deeper that I go, it takes my breath away. Soft hearts, electric souls, heart to heart and eyes to eyes. Is this taboo? Baby, we built this house of memories. Take my picture now, shake it till you see it, and when your fantasies become your legacy, promise me a place in your house of memories. We built this house of memories. Take my picture now, shake it till you see it, and when your fantasies become your legacy, promise me a place in your house of memories. Baby, we built this house of memories. Take my picture.
Let's get it. Baby. Oh yeah, look at that full ramen motion. Come on.
That was so good.
Good job.
Just too kind, and I was too young to know. That's all that really matters. I was a